Top 5 Augmented Reality Trends 2022. Our technological innovation allows customers to visualize which item will look good in their home before they make a purchase. AR is used as a tool to help with video conferencing by allowing people to see and do things across distances. Computer vision detects objects inside buildings, and smartphones have great advancements. Augmented reality is gaining popularity among mobile gamers due to its stunning visuals and immersive 3D experience. Our technology is being used in hospitals to visualize medical data and diagnose patients. According to U.S. consumers, AR benefits in 72% better collaboration, 69% increased efficiency, 68% new business model, 61% better marketing. Global CAGR of AR spending from 2017 to 2022. Top brands using augmented reality, AR: Walmart, Snap, Asus, Pull & Bear, Burberry, IKEA, Amazon, Gucci. Are you going to include AR in your business process? Connect with ValueCoders experts to make effective use of our technology in your business process.